So here is number 7, an example of the cosine law. It says here in triangle BCD, the angle BDC is equal to 60 degrees. A is a point on BD such that BA is 7 centimeters and AC is 8 centimeters. And BAC is equal to 120 degrees. Find the length of CD. So this length, we first find the length of this CD. So if you're going to look at CD, we analyze this triangle first. It's part of ACD. It's part of ACD. So we're going to consider first in triangle ACD. Okay. So if you're going to look at triangle ACD, again, this is C, this is A, this would be D. This is 60 degrees. This is 8 centimeters. Sorry. 8 centimeters. And that is A. Now, it says here we're going to solve for this angle. We can't use the cosine law here because only an angle and a side is given. We need 3 given in the problem. However, if you look at the drawing, looking at the drawing, you know that this is BD. BD is equal to 180 degrees. In a 180 degrees, that is BD. So if you're going to look at that 120 degrees, you look at this one, 180 degrees, therefore that is angle CAD. Angle CAD would give us 180 minus 120 degrees because this is 180 anyway. You know that concept. So if that is 180 minus 120, then CAD is equal to 60 degrees. So this is now 60 degrees. Looking at the drawing, that is not 600, that is 60 degrees. Looking at the drawing, we can now analyze, we can now say that this is an equilateral triangle because that is 60, that is 60. The whole triangle is 180, therefore that is 60 degrees. So it's an equilateral triangle. And an equilateral triangle, you know that all sides are equal. Therefore, if AC is equal to 8 centimeters, we know now that CD is also 8 centimeters. Okay, so we answered letter A. Now we go to letter B. It says here we're going to solve for CB. We're going to solve for CB. We're going to consider this other triangle. We are going to consider the other triangle. We are trying to solve for CB. This is C. Okay. Now, if you're going to look at this, we have 2 sides given and an angle between them. That means we can use the cosine law. If that is side B, then this would be B. That is C, then this would be side C. A, this would be A. And what are we trying to solve? That is BC, which is equal to your value of A. Using the sign of the cosine law, then that would be A squared. Again, this is cosine A. So that would be the remaining sides, B squared plus C squared minus 2BC. We just substitute the values here. So that would give us B squared is equal to 8 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 8 times 7 cosine the angle that is 120 degrees. Okay, solving this we have 169. What's the unit? 169 centimeters. However, this is again A squared. So getting the square root of both sides, then we have A is equal to 13 centimeters. So that is your answer for letter